Good day everyone. This video is titled My Service Experience Through the Lens of TQM. So in these presentations, I will reflect on a positive service experience that I personally encountered. I will analyze this experience using total quality management principles, the four I's of services, and change management strategies, and I will suggest ways the organization can sustain and further improve its service quality. So, this service experience I choose took place at a hotel where I stayed for a short vacation. From the moment I arrived, the service was smooth and well organized. The front desk staff greeted me warmly, processed my check-in efficiently, and clearly explained the hotel facility. During my stay, housekeeping responded quickly to requests, and the restaurant staff were attentive and courteous. Overall, the service was prompt, consistent, and customer-oriented, which made my stay comfortable and stress-free. This experience stood out to me because the employees were not only doing their jobs correctly, but were also genuinely focused on delivering quality service. Using total quality management, several strong quality practices were evident in this service experience. First is customer focus. The staff anticipated my needs, answered questions clearly, and ensured that I was satisfied at every service encounter. This strong customer focus increased my trust and satisfaction with the hotel. Second is the employee involvement. All employees from the front desk to housekeeping showed coordination and teamwork. So this indicates that staff are empowered and trained to take responsibility for service quality. Third is process efficiency. So chicken and room service and housekeeping requests were handled quickly and without errors. Efficiency processes minimize waiting time and enhancing my own all experience. So the four eyes of service were effectively managed during my experience. So first is the intangibility. Although service cannot be seen before it's delivered, the hotel made quality tangible through professional staff, appearance, clear signage, and a clean, well-maintained environment. To improve further, the hotel could display service standards or guest satisfactions award. And the second one is inconsistency. Service quality was consistent across different employees and service areas. To maintain this consistency, regular refresher training standard scripts can be continued. Lastly is inventory or perishability. Service such as rooms and staff time cannot be stored. The hotel managed this well by having enough staff during peak hours. Using data, forecasting could further optimize staffing and prevent service. So let's proceed the post training and management actions. So first is to sustain and enhance service excellence. I propose the following training program. First, service excellence and customer engagement training. So you should be conducted a frontline employees to maintain high very services standard. Second one is problem solving and service recovery training. Should be provided the staff can confidently handle unexpected situation. In terms of change management strategies, management can support quality improvement in the following ways. To propose incentives, management can recognize employees who consistently receive positive customer feedback. To redefine cultural values, the organization should strengthen a culture that emphasizes service, excellence, teamwork, and continuous improvement. To exercise authority, management should ensure that service standards are consistently enforced across all departments. To shift the burden of change, the hotel can adopt digital system for booking, requests, and feedback to support employee. Finally, to recruit champion of change, senior staff can serve as mentor and role models to promote best service practices. And lastly, for the conclusion, in conclusion, this positive service experience demonstrates how total quality management principle, effective handling of the 4 I's of services. A strong change management strategies can result in high customer satisfaction by continuously improving and sustaining the practices. Service organizations can maintain performance excellence and long-term customer loyalty. So that's all everyone, and thank you for listening.